Hey guys, this is Shabir Khan here, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to add your AdSense code to your WordPress website. So, what you need to do is you need to just click this button, Ads, okay, and you need to get your code. Once you click that button, Ads, you would be taken to this section, and then you need to come to this place where it says Buy Ad Unit. Once you come here, you would be able to you would be able to see all these formats: display ads, in feed ads, in article ads, matched content, in search engine. So in this case, what you can do is, let's say if you are adding the code within the article, right? So you can click this button and you can add this code. Now all this is native. Native means when you add the code, this will take the form of wherever you're adding the code. It will the ads will show up relevant to the content on your website. So in this case, let's say I want to add the matched content code. So, or maybe in article ads. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to choose in or in article in feed. I'll just go for in feed ads in this case. Okay, in feeds, and I'm going to click this button, and I'm going to write. I'm going to enter your page URL, and we'll scan your site for feeds or creates ad style manually. So. Uh, Either just follow along, add your website link here, okay, desktop, and pretty much once you add your website link, you would be able to get a code something like this. We'll just go here. So the code would be something like this. Let's just go back, and this would be the code. Okay, once you create the code, it would be something like this. You just need to copy this code, and you need to go to your WordPress site. So in this case, I'm going to this site, and I will simply go to my theme. Now, in this case, I have a newspaper theme on my website, on one of my websites, and I'm going to go to the theme panel section. So you need to go to the name of your theme. You might have some other theme installed. So if you have other theme installed, you will see the name of the theme. Then you need to go to the theme panel. As long as it's a premium theme, you should be able to see the theme panel. And you're going to click theme panel here. And once you go to your theme panel, it would look something like this. Now, in this case, okay, let's allow this to load. Now, in this case, you will see all the settings in your theme. You will go um, in this in this case, you will go to the ad section. You see, I have an ad section here, so you should have an ad section in your theme uh, panel somewhere. So you need to find where it says ads or maybe advertisement, and when you click this ads, now you would be able to put the code in different sections, like header ad. Let's say I want to put my code in the header section. Now in this case, the code is already there. So uh, when I put the code in the header, the ads will appear in the header section. Sidebar, when I put the code in the sidebar, the ads will appear in the sidebar section. So in this case, you need to put the code, your ad code, everywhere um, where it says ad article top ad. This would appear at the top of your website articles. Article inline ad, this would appear in between your articles, and this would appear after your articles. Okay, I have not added any custom ads here. Okay, I'm just adding ads within my content. So you can, if you want to add some custom ads, you can, but I have not done that. So it's okay if you just add the ads within the header, sidebar, article, top, inline, and bottom. And once you add the code, your ads will start appearing maybe in 4 hours to up to 24 hours. So as long as your AdSense account is approved, you should be good. Okay. Now that being said, thanks for watching, guys, and um, I hope you would be able to set your AdSense code properly after seeing this video. Thank you. This is Shabir Khan.